In addition to storing data in a matrix, we may also need to perform additional calculations using one or more matrices, such as the addition, subtraction, or multiplication of the corresponding elements in each matrix. For example, say we have matrices containing quantities, prices, and shipping costs for 3 products coming from 2 different suppliers. How do we obtain a 3x2 matrix of the total costs for each product and supplier according to the formula shown? Let's start by computing the product of price and quantity. The result we want is a new matrix containing price times quantity for each product and supplier. Operations like this are called element-wise operations. Notice that element-wise multiplication, division, and exponentiation operators are preceded by a dot. Getting back to our example, let's compute the element-wise product of the price and quantity matrices and assign the results to the variable total, which contains the price per unit times the quantity for each product sold by each supplier. Recalling the cost formula, our next task is to multiply each element in the matrix total by the tax rate. We could do this using element-wise multiplication, but we'd first have to create a new matrix where each element has the same value. Fortunately, when applying a scalar operation to an entire matrix, we can use the corresponding scalar operator, and the operation is automatically applied to each element of the matrix, like so. Let's update the total matrix by multiplying it by the tax rate. To finish our calculation, we need to add each element in the ship cost matrix to the corresponding element in the total matrix. But we now recognize this operation as element-wise addition. And just like that, we're done. I think we should go with the second supplier. Let me get them on the phone.